Hey everybody, Jennifer here with Beckworth Blooms, and in today's video we are going to be making a wreath with lots of greenery on it. I had a bunch of preserved eucalyptus left over that I wanted to use, and I just love how eucalyptus looks in wreaths. So let me show you some of the greenery that we'll be using in today's wreath. The first greenery is this nice seeded eucalyptus, and I just love seeded eucalyptus. The seed, just the texture of the seeds are so pretty, and they just add like such nice dimension into wreaths. So we'll be using that, and then the other main greenery is this silver dollar eucalyptus. And I just love the rounded shape of these leaves. Both are just going to look so beautiful. So this is the wreath right here that we're going to be making. And this wreath's pretty large. I made it on an 18-inch grapevine base. You definitely don't have to go this big. I just had a bunch of greenery that I wanted to use. And then I also added in some little flowers into the wreath as well. So the white flowers are preserved limonium, and then the pops of purple that you see are the preserved lupin. So I just think that this wreath is so beautiful and really a wreath that you can have hanging any time of the year. So before we get started, please click the thumbs up button down below to subscribe to this channel. That way you'll get notified whenever we put out any new videos. So I like to lay my materials out in piles just so that it makes it easier to make bunches. So I have the eucalyptus, some preserved agonis. The purple, again, is the preserved lupin, and I want to just show you it up close because it's so beautiful. There's some preserved white limonium, which is really pretty, and then some of the silver dollar eucalyptus that has just that nice rounded leaf to it. So I used an 18-inch grapevine wreath. You can definitely go smaller than that if you don't want to make as large of a wreath. And then I'm just going to take my paddle wire and make sure I make a really tight knot on the side of the wreath. And I will be linking all the materials that I used to make this wreath in the description below. So I'm just going to collect my first bunch and face it inward toward the wreath, and then take my paddle wire, and you can wrap it around the stems 2 to 3 times. Just make sure that you pull it as tight as you can without breaking any of the stems. Take my next bunch and just lay it over the stems of the first bunch. For this wreath, I'm going to be alternating the different types of greenery and doing purple and white every other bunch just to add variety to the wreath. Then I'm just going to keep adding bunches until this wreath gets filled all the way around. So what do you guys think? Please leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking the thumbs up button. Again, I will be linking all the materials that were used in making this wreath today. Thanks so much.